Kumain na lang tayo.
Gusto mo na yung pagkain mo. Sarap yung food, ha? In fairness, I think.
No? If I'm craving for something, someone else.
Sa akin, di pa ako ready.
It's okay, love. Don't resist. Okay lang.
Yeah, but I'm not ready.
Huwag ka nang maarte. Ha? Okay lang yan. Just relax, breathe.
Sasaktan ako.
Come here.
No.
Don't run. Don't run yet.
Zach,
Run.
uwi na ako. Zach! Zach, please! Zach!
Don't run!